refreshing, just like a spring in my mouth. Well, welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube, coming to you from fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. We are here in the Venetian, and I've heard that there is one of the most amazing donut shops anywhere in the U.S. right here in this resort. It's called Donatique. Let's go see if we can find it. Come on. Okay, I think we're going in the right direction here, but let's just see. Right here, you are here. Usually gotta go that way. All right, come on. You ever feel like a fish going the wrong way? Swimming upstream? Ooh, Restaurant Row. I know we're going the right way now. If you guys have never been to the Venetian, you've got to come see this place. I mean, look at this. It looks like we're outside. Yeah, look, and back behind me there, canal, gondolas, cool. Yes, I am looking for Donatique. Can you tell me how to get there? Okay, guys, we made it, Donatique. Come on, let's go try them out. These are not just everyday, ordinary donuts. This is a pastry chef who makes these. You guys have to see how creative these donuts are. Let me show you. Look at that. And I want to show you something else here. Not every regular Boston cream will work. It even has gold and has Boston piped on top of it. Guys, I am super excited about this. Okay, we're gonna order. Let me see if I can get their attention. Okay, I think we're ready to order. I think we're gonna get, I think I definitely have to have one of those with the bumblebee on it, the honey. Yes, I'd love to have one of those. I think the other one I want to get is the lemon. I think we're gonna get the lemon that we saw over there. Are you gonna get?
I have no idea.
Okay, guys, I'm a little bit. I don't know what I need to do here. I think I actually need to go back to my room and put on some nicer clothes to be able to eat these donuts because they seem too fancy even for what I'm wearing here. It says on the website that the donuts are fit for royalty, and I can imagine that they are, because this could be the absolute most beautiful donut I've ever seen in my entire life. I'll tell you what, we ordered 3 donuts here. I think I may leave this one for last. We also have the lemon, the birthday cake. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Have you ever seen a donut with a piece of birthday cake on top? Happy birthday to you. Okay, here we go. Oh, that actually feels just like cake. Imagine it is. Okay. Strawberry cheesecake, Blueberry Yuzu, Noir Chocolate, French vanilla. Okay, you know when you go to a wedding and you have like the best wedding cake? That cake is that cake right there is worth the dessert. Now let's see what who needs a fork? Let's see what the donut tastes like. Look, mini bundt cakes. Oh, look at these. Biscoff cookie butter, strawberry jelly, cookies and cream. The same icing on the donut that's on the cake. With the sprinkles. The birthday cake donut is a definite win. This is the lemon lush. With a name like Lush, this has got to be luscious. Tiramisu, coconut macaroons. Wow. That is like lemony beyond a lemon. I can't figure out how to explain to you the intensity of the lemon flavor in this. The only thing I can compare it to is that my wife and I got to take a mission trip a couple of years ago to Italy, and while we were over there, we had gelato. Have you ever had gelato in Italy? I don't know how they cram as much intense flavor into their gelato, but it's just like overloaded with flavor. That's what this is. Definitely lemon, yum. stories. This is so fancy. I have to eat it with a knife and a fork. See inside the donut? It's got cream inside there. Okay, we gotta have a little bit of everything. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna break off the honeycomb piece. That's gonna go on there. I'm gonna get a little bit of the beehive and the bee. Here we go. That has the most different flavor I've ever had, but it's really good. It almost has a little bit of a savory scent in there. I can't explain it. It's good. Wow. Okay, it's the most beautiful donut, the most interesting flavor donut. I'm gonna say, guys, when you come to Donatique, you need to order one of these. Donatique, where each donut is a piece of art, a masterpiece. If you're ever in Las Vegas, you cannot miss Donatique right here in the Venetian. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya.